Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add birthday on your Twitter account. Let's begin. Firstly, open your Twitter app or X app. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Then click on your profile icon or a person icon. Tap on the option of profile. Here you can see the option of the edit profile on your top left corner. Tap on edit profile. Here you can see the option. If you scroll a little down, there you can see the option of date of birth. Here you can see the criteria. This should be the date of birth of the person using the account. Even here you can see who can see this month, date or year. I can only see that. You can also have the option of remove date of birth as well. Let's change. Let's tap on edit. Make sure you're above 13. There you go. I've changed my date of birth. Now tap on continue. There you go, your birth date has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.